So before I send out my iPhone 15 Pro Max for repair, I wanted to show you guys what has happened to it, and I'm unsure of how it happened. So let's take a look here. I have pulled up, this is just the Yahoo homepage, and as of right now, you probably won't be able to notice, but let me scroll down to the white section, and I will give you guys just a second to see if you can find it. So if you look on the left-hand side here, I'm pretty sure I have some dead pixels, and I'm really not sure how this happened. I noticed it a few days ago, and I thought maybe there was something under my screen protector, and so I was trying to take my fingernail and kind of get under there, but also trying not to make like air bubbles in my screen protector. But I didn't feel anything under there, and as much as I really didn't want to, I went ahead and peeled off the screen protector. And part of me was hoping that it was just like a piece of pocket lint or fuzz, something like that. But sure enough, it still stayed there, and I've done several shutdowns and reboots, and it still stayed there. And I'm curious if any of you have had an issue like this on your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. And I wonder how much of an issue this is. Now, this has not suffered any hard drops. If I have dropped it, it's just been around the house, and I've always had this case on it. And up until yesterday, I had a screen protector on it. It's not suffered any kind of falls that my other phones haven't suffered. So I don't think that's what caused it. And I find it weird, though, how this didn't pop up until a few days ago. So part of me wonders what exactly happened. Like, how did those pixels go bad? Or if it is dead pixels. I mean, I'm pretty sure it is, but I could be wrong. But that's definitely a weird one. So, I was a bit nervous about trying out Apple support, but supposedly they have some of the best customer service in the world. So my expectations were kind of high. And I have to say, I was able to do it all online directly from Safari here on my iPhone. The only thing I'm a little disappointed in, not that it's bad by any means, but they didn't ask me like a written description of what's going on. It was just like options you select, and I selected display quality issue. And so, it was really straightforward. They tell you to disable Find My iPhone, and then you have to completely factory reset your iPhone before you send it in. And so everything's good to go. They send you an email, tell you what to do, take it to a UPS store. But for me, my closest UPS store is pretty far away, so I think I'm going to have to reach back out to support to see if they will send me a shipping label so I can just take it to a UPS drop-off that's closer to me. And so I shouldn't have any issues with that. But yeah, that's definitely a weird one I wanted to make and show you guys. I don't think I've ever had this happen on any of my phones that I've ever had. Just pixels randomly go dead. At least I'm pretty sure that's what's going on here on the left-hand side. But I believe Apple is going to replace the display for me. Part of me is a bit worried that they won't notice this on the side, but, I did select display quality issues, so they should be able to see that. But still, you get a bit worried when you're sending in your device that you paid a lot of money for to be repaired. You wonder if it's going to be repaired correctly and that nothing in the device is compromised, and that when you get the device back, you hope it looks as good as new. So I will let you guys know how my experience goes. I think they estimated that I would have my device back in 5 to 10 business days. So that's not too bad. Luckily, I have other devices. This isn't my main phone. It is a bit of a bummer. If you live somewhere not close to an Apple store, which I don't, mine is like probably 2 hours away, then you're going to have to be without your device for up to 10 business days, maybe even longer, depending. But so far, I think Apple has done a good job at handling what's going on, so I'm going to factory reset this and get a shipping label to drop off at a UPS drop-off location. So let me know if you guys have had this issue on your iPhone or any other devices, really. I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next video.